solve the linear equation 5x minus 23 is equal to 3x plus 25. So this is a typical linear equation because you are seeing a variable on both sides. It is on the left hand side and also on the right hand side. That's okay. You can simplify. You can combine those terms and take care of them. You can solve. That is the only thing is we have to isolate that x and simplify to get the value of x. So let me show you. So we have this 15x. I'll write again for you. Yeah, 15x minus 23 is equal to 3x plus 25. So in your first step, you can either take care of this 23, cancel 23, it's a constant number from the left hand side, you can move it to the right hand side, or cancel 3x from the right hand side. And you can do that. Or you can take care of both the things at the same time. But I'll just do one thing at a time. First, let us cancel this 3x from the right hand side. So to do that, I have to go for the inverse operation. And what is the inverse operation of this 3x? 3x, which is positive here. No sign is there, that indicates that this is a positive 3x. So to cancel this positive 3x from the right hand side, do minus 3x, subtraction property of equality, subtracting same quantity on both sides. And I'll cancel that 3x this side also on the left hand side. And why do you have to do this? Just in order to take away this 3x from the right hand side. And now what do you have? 15x minus 3x. So that is from 15x's, we have to take away 3x's. Just like $15 minus $3. You'll get $12. Same thing, from 15, take away 3. That is 12. How much? 12 x's. Like 15 x's, 3 x's gone, remaining 12 x's. And you also have minus 23 remaining on the left hand side. On the right hand side, you cancel this 3x, only 25 is remaining, right? So next step, let us handle this minus 23. 12x minus 23. So remove 23 from there. How do you do that? The opposite of this negative 23, it is positive 23. You see, you are almost there. Then cancel negative 23, positive 23. So bring down 12x, and on the right hand side 25 plus 23, that is 48, right? 5 plus 3 is 8, 2 plus 2 is 4. Now read this expression. 12x is equal to 48. That is 12 times x is 48. It is times. So opposite of that multiplication is division. So let us divide by 12. 12 times x, divide 12. And whatever you do to the left hand side, do the same thing to the right hand side. That's what the property of equality says. So I'll divide by 12, 12 and 12. 12x and 12 cancelled off. 12 times x, that is like 12 times x divided 12. That factor 12 got cancelled. Now here 48 divided 12. So how many times 12 can divide 48? It is 4 times, or you can also think like this. Okay, 4 divides 3 times and 4 divides 4 ones are 4 12s. And again 3 can divide once and 3 goes 4 times. Or directly use your 12 table. So my result is what is remaining here? 12 is gone, so only x. X is equal to 4. That is your solution. The value of x is equal to 4, right? And like I showed before, you can even substitute this value of x is equal to 4 in this expression and verify your result. Verify that your x is equal to 4 is the right answer. Let me show it to you right now. Alright, so x is equal to 4, right? Take 4 in this expression. 15 times 4 minus 23 is equal to 3 times 4 plus 25. What did I do here? This x is substituted by 4, replacing x with 4 because the value of x is equal to 4. Now what happens? 15 times 4, that is 60, minus 23 is equal to 3 times 4, that is 12, 12 plus 25. So what is 60 minus 23? That is carried 1, 10, that is 5. 10 minus 3 is 7. Oops. Okay, 10 minus 3 is 7 here, and 5 minus 2 gives you 3. So 37. Alright, 37. And on the right hand side, 12 plus 25. 12 plus 25. 7 and 3, right? 37. 37 is equal to 37. That is a true statement. So, x is equal to 4 is the right exact value of x. That is the solution. Got it? So, even though you have a variable on the right hand side, you can just solve it by doing one step at a time. First, cancel 3x and simplify. And I cancel 3x on the right hand side, so do the same subtraction on the left hand side and move on. Okay, right. Please try other problems. Okay, thank you.